Hey everybody, so today we're going to discuss how to post using Hootsuite. So Hootsuite is actually a very good platform wherein you can post to a couple of social media at the same time. And you're also being able to manage your social media on a same dashboard. Unlike if you're going to manage it from Facebook and then you're going to manage your Instagram and manage your Pinterest and manage your LinkedIn and manage your YouTube account, there's a lot of social media that you are going to manage, and Hootsuite actually integrates all of those social media into one dashboard, into one platform, so you can keep yourself engaged with your audience, and at the same time you're able to post by one click. So how are we going to post using Hootsuite? Of course, you would need to link your social media accounts to Hootsuite, and there is a free Hootsuite, a free 3 social media linking to Hootsuite or plan that you can take advantage of. So, this is how your Hootsuite would look like pag nag-login kayo sa Hootsuite. Now, from here, you have an option to just click on New Post, or you can also use the Legacy Composer. And if you are planning to post on Pinterest, you have to click on New Pin, like that. Bakit na iba si Pinterest? Bakit meron siyang sariling button for you to post? Akala ko ba same lang naman yung social media? It's because unlike po sa Facebook, unlike sa Twitter, and unlike sa iba pang social media platform, yung Pinterest kasi, kailangan natin siyang ilagay sa board, sa separate board niya. So, para mailagay natin siya sa isang board kung saan natin gustong ilagay yon, at hindi na natin kailangan balikan yung Pinterest natin para i-manage yon at ibahin ng board kung saan nyo man gustong ilagay yung na board yung post niyo, meron siyang sarili niyang composer sa loob ng Hootsuite. But other than that, yung ibang mga social media na pwede ninyong ma-manage, like yung Facebook, yung access natin siya. So ito, yung Twitter, yung Facebook, yung LinkedIn, yung Instagram, and yung YouTube, hindi na natin siya kailangan na i-create pa ng separate folder. So, from there, so balik tayo dito sa ating home screen or sa dashboard natin. Kung makikita ninyo, meron na tayo dito. Andito na yung mga postings na meron na na-post natin. Saan siya na-post? So, ito is yung IG ko. O pwede din ninyong ilagay yung stream. So, lahat na ng stream ng sa Facebook, yan, lagay natin yan. Sige, pati yung scheduled messages para makita natin kung ano yung mga engagement na meron tayo doon sa social media account na yon. So like for this one, at na yung sa Facebook page ko, makikita ko na dito kung sino yung mga nag-comments, meron ba akong messages. Ito, meron akong message from Nicholas. Hi there, Nicholas. Anyway, if you have any scheduled activities, scheduled posts, you can see them all here as well. Now, for us to create a post, i-click lang natin tong new post sa composer, and then make sure to tick this para ma-identify ni Hootsuite kung para kaninong social media account ba to or para sa ang social media account ba to. So, gusto ko siyang ilagay for both. So, I have my Pinterest and my Facebook. I have my Instagram and my Facebook. And now, we are going to create a post and mag-start na tayo mag-compose ng message natin. So, you can also attach your social media, attach a library or attach your file like picture, or kung gusto mo mag-upload din ng video, pwede mo din siyang gawin dito at the same time. Now, you have an option to add kung ilalagay mo ba yung location mo, and kung gusto mo bang mag-specific ng, mag-create ng promotion. So, pag ginawa natin to, so like, for example, hello world. Kung mapapansin ninyo, nag-a-update tong right side, and ito yung pinaka-preview niya. Ito yung magiging itsura niya sa Facebook page natin, at ito din yung magiging itsura niya sa business page ng Instagram natin. So if we are going to upload a picture, for example, this one, you just have to drag and drop or click natin yon para ma-upload. And while it's uploading, it's also gonna load kung ano yung magiging preview nito dito sa right side ng inyong dashboard. Now, you have an option to post this now, or kung gusto mo siyang i-schedule for later. So, ibig sabihin ng schedule for later, like for example, may out of town ako next week, or hindi ko mamamanage yung social media ko, or sobrang dami ko ng mga postings for the day para meron na akong posting for next week, is pwede ka na mag-schedule. So, for this one, like for example, i-schedule ko siya for Monday. Anong oras natin siya gustong i-schedule? So ito 12:30, ang nakalagay dito is 12:30 AM, gawin natin siyang 12:30 PM. And then makikita mo naman din kung anong time zone siya. And then when you're finished, you can click on done. And then once done, click on schedule. Now, once na na-schedule mo na siya, at gusto mo din siyang i-post sa Pinterest, click here, and then i-recreate mo lang kung ano yung ginawa mo doon. I'm gonna show you kung paano siya mapopost dito sa Pinterest later. But for now, let's try to refresh my dashboard para makita natin yung scheduled post natin dito. Or actually, pwede ko naman palang i-refresh lang yung pinaka-widget. So ito. Niloload na niya ang ating timeline. Ito, meron na tayong scheduled. So nakikita natin dito that this is gonna be scheduled for June 8, Monday. And ito yung caption natin, and ito yung image na meron tayo dito sa posting natin na to. If you wanted to add a social network or social stream, lalagay lang din natin siya para, you know, every time na may nagko-comment sa'yo, every time na at least makikita mo na siya lahat dito. And then all you just have to do is to like it, like your post. Or mag-comment ka din do sa sa mga nagko-comment dito sa post mo. So you have an engagement to everyone. And instead na nag-click ka on a different tabs or nagla-login ka, you could save time by managing it on a platform like Hootsuite. So yun, like what I promised, I'm gonna show you how to create a new pin sa Pinterest. Ito lang siya. Click lang natin yung new pin. And then, ito po yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. So, naka-link na yung aking Pinterest dito sa Hootsuite ko. And all I just have to do is to click kung ano ba yung gusto kong paglagyan ng board. So, for example, lalagay natin siya dito sa infographics ng WordPress. Or, kung sa palagay ninyo, ay wala dito yung bet ko. Sige, mag-create tayo ng panibagong board. You can also create a new board inside your Hootsuite. Gano'ng kaganda yun, diba? So, like the VA's Diary Virtual Assistant Diary. Create tayo ng board. And now, pwede na natin siyang piliin. Hanapin natin siya. So, ito siya. And i-upload na natin yung image natin. So, ito, meron daw error. Pero I'm gonna double check that. But the main thing about here is I wanted to show you kung paano na natin siya ipopost. Anyway, so yon, kung created na yung pin natin or yung board natin, pwede na natin ipiliin yung board na yon. And then same thing, you're just gonna have to drag and drop your image to this one. And pwede nyo na ding i-link kung ano man yung website URL na gusto ninyong i-link dito sa image na to. And then you can add your description. Now, you can schedule it for later or post it now. As simple as that din po. So, yun lang. So, if you have any question, guys, feel free to reach out to me via Facebook, or you can send me a chat message or, comment on the video below. If you think this is helpful, please make sure, don't forget to like and share para naman maka-inspire din tayo at ma-share din natin ng ating kaunting kaalaman sa iba pang mga aspiring virtual assistants. Please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you have any other webinars that you wanted me to focus on, feel free to let me know, and I'm gonna see you on the next one.